Welcome to Matters in Grey. Today I will be showing you how to perform a Demi colour. Firstly, prepare your client for a colour service. This can be done by applying a towel around the shoulders and a waterproof gown over the top. Barrier cream can be applied to the client's hairline to prevent staining. For my safety, I'm wearing gloves and an apron to protect my skin and clothing. Make sure your client's hair is combed free of knots and tangles. Then divide the hair down the centre from the forehead to the nape and ear to ear. This will create 4 quadrants. Secure each quadrant with a sectioning clip and make sure the hair is not in your client's face. I'm using a basin comb to section the hair, but any comb will do. This is just my preference. Now that you've created 4 sections, the colour is ready to be applied. I used a clean brush to pick up a small amount of colour. I'm starting at the front centre section and painting the colour down the hair. I'm covering around about a 3 centimetre wide area and painting each section of the quarters to clearly define each quadrant. Around the hairline, I'm careful not to get colour on the skin. For the Demi colour today, I'm using a 6-level dark blonde with a warm chocolate reflect. I have mixed my colour with 1.9% peroxide and followed manufacturer's instructions. When applying colour around the hairline, be careful not to get colour on the face and skin. I angle my brush on the side for better control. Once your regrowth of the quadrants has been applied, start at 1/4 and using a cobweb pattern, take 1 centimetre wide sections and apply the colour to the top and bottom of each section. Continue this down the quarter until you run out of hair. Demi colours won't give full grey coverage, just more of a grey blending. It can give more of a natural look to men's colouring as it has more of a natural tone and won't create an obvious regrowth. Demi colours typically contain no ammonia or small amounts and will not lighten the hair. It gives a beautiful shine and gloss to the hair and perfect for tone on tone or going darker or just enhancing natural colours. When applying a demi colour, we start applying to the roots of the hair first, and once all quarters are covered, the ends colour will then be applied. Make sure you apply it to all the finer hair around the hairline to give a seamless blend. Once all the regrowth of the hair is covered, I comb the hair all the way to the back, and you can see I have placed a protective neck shield on. This is to give extra protection and so I don't ruin my client's clothing. Taking my first section at the base of the hair, start applying to the mid-length and ends, making sure to comb and emulsify the colour. As the ends of the hair can be a little drier or more porous, make sure you have enough colour on this section. The basting comb works best as the ends are evenly spaced apart and won't compromise your colour application. While applying, make sure you have enough colour on your brush so even coverage will be achieved. Comb each quarter once you have finished to help distribute the colour. Continue with your application all the way up the head and until all the hair has been coloured. Comb through and double check that you have covered everything. When going more than 2 levels darker, sometimes 2 applications of a Demi is needed, and this will give you full colour payoff. Demi colours are perfect for damaged hair as they do not contain ammonia and the colour sits on the cuticle layer of the hair, this being able to give the hair more shine and a healthier look. I'm leaving my colour on to process for 20 minutes as this is stated by the manufacturer's instructions. Once the timer is up, I rinse and perform 2 colour-saving shampoos and a deep conditioning treatment. I then style my client's hair to their needs. That concludes Demi colouring. Thanks for watching.